China's Ministry of Science and Technology says the alleged actions taken by an embryologist in Guangdong Province are banned human modifications. Chinese authorities have sent an investigation team into the hospital where the two babies in question were allegedly born. Meanwhile, at Hong Kong's biomedical conference, the geneticist He Jiankui said he'll pause the trials.
So HIV remains a top 10 cause of death in several countries, in particular developing countries. For uninfected children born by an HIV-positive mother, who make up a large percentage of births in area of Southern Africa, the risk of being infected by HIV in the first few months of life is many, many times higher than other babies.